Hi there everyone, my name is Pritam and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, we will be talking about some of additional features now comes with ChatGPT Plus. So recently we have seen that, some of cool features now being added to ChatGPT. In order to activate or check those features, what we need to do is we need to click here on the user button, three dots, and then we need to click on settings. And there you will see beta features tab. Just click on that and there we go. Here you will see these two options which says web browsing and plugin. So what does this mean? The web browsing means that we can try a version of ChatGPT that know when and how to browse internet to answer your question about recent topics and event. So if you are already using ChatGPT, then you might be already aware of that the ChatGPT have a database which was last updated in 2021, I guess. So how you can get the answer to the latest questions or recent events. So in that case, you would like to go with web browsing model of ChatGPT. Similarly, we also now have specialized plugins. So if you see here in the description, it says that try a version of ChatGPT that know when and how to use third-party plugin that you enable. And now you can see we have enabled both. Now let's have a look on both of these features one by one. So how we can check that? What now we need to do is we can see here this down arrow which shows that GPT-4 now have three different mode. The first one is the default one, which going to give you a very good reasonable answers when it compared to GPT 3.5. But let's say you want to have access to the latest information, then in that case you may want to use browsing model. So let's choose on browsing model, and now let me ask him top 10 cars in India under 15 lakhs, and let's see what it come up with. If I would have used the older model, then it might not would have provided us any answer. Now you can see that this GPT model is searching web, and you can also see step by step that it is clicking on a link, then it have clicked on a link. And now let's see what result it extract from the click link. And if I click on this link directly, you can see that it actually have clicked on a relevant result. Now let me just go back and let's see what information it extract from this website. And now you can see it have stopped reading the content from the website, and now it is delivering us a result. And this really look pretty nice because the site that it have chosen is quite reliable. Now let me click here on this link, and there we go. Here we can see it actually opened the website from where it extracted the information. Now let's have a look on another model, which is plugin. So let me click here on this plugin model, and now here we can see this list box appear. So let's click on this list box, and now we can see there is a plugin store. So let's just click on this plugin store, and now let's see what kind of plugins are built in available inside GPT-4 itself. So here we can see there are so many different plugins. The first one is keymate.ai search, that is more of search the web by using custom search engine. Then we have a lot of brand specific plugins which looks pretty nice, I would say. So in this way guys, we can further customize and tune in our experience with ChatGPT the way we want. This look quite nice. So for example, you want to find out some courses that are from leading university, you may would like to install this EDX, which is very famous LMS. And now we have installed this plugin. Now let's see how it help us in finding our course. So find me a course related to vertical farming. Now let's have a look on results. And here we can see it is using EDX, and it have used EDX, and there we go. So here we can see came up with some response, which I think only developer want to see this JSON object. But then here on the bottom, here we can see the proper course related to vertical farming. For example, this aquaponic course, or maybe this water and environment course. And the good thing about these plugins, you may now see images inside ChatGPT, which look awesome, guys, because I'm seeing these images inside GPT for the first time. So that's how, guys, I think we may also able to optimize these plugins inside ChatGPT, which look awesome, guys. So that's all, guys, from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such tips and tricks. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.